Have you ever searched for your auto repair shop online and gone crazy because you're not showing up? We get it. I'm Michelle, the Director of SEO at Shop Marketing Pros, and today I'm going to give you a few questions to ask yourself to help determine why your shop is not showing up in your search results. If you've ever searched for your shop and you couldn't find it, you might wonder why. Let's explore some common reasons and gather some information to help answer this question together. First, we need to start by understanding your search context, which can greatly influence results. Where are you when you're searching for your shop? Whether you're at your shop or at home can affect what you see due to local SEO factors. What device are you using? Google sometimes shows different results on mobile versus desktop due to how they index and rank sites. If you're on your phone, are you connected to your Wi-Fi or using cellular data? Believe it or not, this can change what you see because Google aims to provide the most relevant results based on your connection and location. Are you checking in incognito mode? This helps avoid skewed results from your previous searches and browsing history, giving us a cleaner slate for testing. When exactly are you searching? Time of day and search traffic can impact visibility, especially for trending queries. Now let's talk about your search terms. What exact words are you using and what position did your shop come up in, if at all? This can reveal if you need to optimize for different keywords on your SEO. Understanding these details will help you better understand your SEO ranking factors. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment or email us at ask@shopmarketingpros.com.